Myself, Anil Bangar from Standard 9. On the occasion of Atulya Science Fair, I am going to present a 3D animated video on how earthquakes occur.
The Earth is covered in tectonic plates that slowly move around its surface. Most of the time, we don't feel a thing. The places where they meet are called fault lines, and that's where most earthquakes happen. The edges of the faults are rough and sometimes get stuck together. There is then a build-up of energy as the plates continue trying to move or come under pressure from other plates. When it becomes too great, the plates suddenly slip, releasing energy in seismic waves that shake the Earth as they move through it. Earthquakes are recorded by sensitive instruments and measured on the Richter scale. It's an exponential scale, which means every number up is a tenfold increase in the size of the earthquake. Earthquakes that measure up to about 4, or with epicentres far below the Earth's surface, are barely felt. At 6, some buildings are generally damaged, depending on the quality of construction and how deep below the Earth the earthquake's origin occurs. Quakes close to the surface produce more damaging energy waves. But even earthquakes this size can be devastating. The one that struck Christchurch in New Zealand measured 6.3, but killed nearly 200 people. In the 7s, buildings can separate from their foundations. Underground pipes may be broken, and there will be visible cracks in the earth. A magnitude 7 earthquake caused the deaths of about 220,000 people when it struck Haiti in 2010. An earthquake measuring 9 or more on the Richter scale will leave almost total devastation, and the energy waves will be visible as they move through the Earth. The earthquake behind the Boxing Day tsunami measured 9.1, and it was a magnitude 9 that devastated part of Japan in